fire trucks. And in fact, I have one right here. Sorry, here. Some of my friends like to call me Teddy, but I prefer Bear. So I'm going to say a little bit about myself. I have a sorry about that, the cameras these days. So, as I was saying, I have a gluten allergy. I am part of the Bears and Birds show, and I love ice cream. In fact, it's one of my favorites. And also, I love all sweet treats. Also, all cars. I have many cars. Lego cars, excavators, metal cars. You name it and I've got it.
Even this blue one.
Even this blue one. Come on, police car. Okay, now my friend Baer would like to say something about him.
Okay, so hello everybody. My name is baer. And well, I love popsicles. And well, I also love cars and like everything like that, and excavators, like my old pops, Bear, sorry. I'm Baer, he's Bear. So yeah, and my favorite color's yellow, and I also like green and red and orange and yellow and blue and purple, and yeah, I love every single color. So yeah, now I'm gonna give it to my best friend into the whole wide world, Avel. Oh, I'm flattered that I'm your best friend. So I'm a bird, and my name's Avel, and well, I start with the letter A, so I love it because I'm always first in line for everything, and I just adore it. Tweet, tweet. And my favorite food is carrots and grapes. But one of my favorite things to do is I like to fly around town, seeing if anyone needs any help. And yeah, so I think that's it for the Bears and Birds show. Any questions? Yes, I have a question. So when did y'all discover that, well, that you should make the Bears and Birds show?
Well, we discovered we should make it in
When was it? I think it was like
2019, perhaps.
Yeah. But
Okay,
now it's the new year, right? So any changes made since 2019 or anything big that changed y'all's life?
Well, in 2018 we all met, and so yeah, we all met and we love each other, and we've been best friends since 2018 actually. And when we first met, we all made videos in our rooms, not imagining anyone could ever see them. And then we moved to Stuffed Animal Land, and we met you and Giraffe, and that really changed our lives. And now, 2023, we're making videos on YouTube, and we're being very successful, but not that successful yet.
So make sure to comment and subscribe and like our videos.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
That's it for the Bears and Birds show. Bye.